So here we are at last. Got a bit of better focus. It's hard to get the light amount right. They were mating. They were mating. They have to be out of focus, so I have to go close to me. But one flew off. Also just heard a noise down by the lake. One's just nearby actually. So I'll put my finger there actually, put my head torch on. It'll probably fly off now. But I'll put my finger for comparison. I can get one there. There's the cicada. There's my finger just behind it. It's quite big. I'm tempted to try catching it. Right, I'll try and film the back of it. So he's got these big long wings, big funny boogly eyes, and there's him from the side. Ooh, I might actually grab him. I'm going to grab him now. He'll probably take off, or he or she will probably take off. Doesn't it really matter? Ooh, yeah, took off straight towards my headlamp. Took off straight towards my headlamp. So as predicted. So I didn't predict about it flying to my headlamp. Yep, and the other one's down there somewhere, but I don't know where. Oh, there it is. Found it. That could be the male, it could be spent. Ooh, do you hear that? Do you hear that? Actually chirped just because I caught it, and it's pissed. It's weed on me as well. I shouldn't say the P word, being the good Christian that I am. Anyway, that was the other one I had then.